Yes, good day mga kasabong. Ito na po yung special set o personal quadro materials natin sa kaibigan natin from Cambodia o NBC Game Farm of Brunei from Cambodia. Ayan, napakaganda setup na ito, sir. Okay. Ang first, the first is these are the male is imported Dan Gray Roundhead over 3 pullet, 1 possum sweater and 2 Cardinal Club Kelso. Ayan, super set. Look at the male, very handsome. Wine red, white leg, Picom. Okay. Then the Cardinal Club pullet. Yes, good day, Mr. Dragon.
Yes, magandang hapon na mga kasabo. Mga kasabo, this special request, handpick to my friend from Cambodia,
Mr. NBC Game Farm, Brunei.
NBC Game Farm Brunei.
Yes, sir. Sir, this handpick to my friend from Cambodia, very spoiled to my farm. Personal material came from breeding pen and pullet came from breeding pen also. Sir, this is very strong chicken in my personal use. Sir, I hope you like and good luck in your breeding. The pullet is very beautiful lady like Miss Universe, possum sweater. See, big body in a high station and beautiful color and winning line, sir. Possum sweater and the two pullet also my personal brood material came from breeding pen Cardinal Club Kelso. Big body, handpick. Very long-legged, like Miss Universe also. Very beautiful. And the other one is a sister, full sister. See, like a twin. Very big body also and high station. Sir, come on. Yeah, sir, thank you very much. Thank you for that match. Golden Dragon Game Farm, Antonio Burburan from Cambodia. Sir, shout out to your friend in Cambodia. Shout out.
Okay. But ជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនទាំងអស់ដែលកំពុងតែមើលវីដេអូដែល brother Boomerang គាត់កំពុងតែជួយមកបង្ហាញនេះថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបានដល់ពីប្រចាំ NBC Game Farm គឺមកពីប្រទេសកម្ពុជាហើយបានមកសូមចែកគូគាត់បាទដើម្បីយកទៅបន្តហើយបង្កើនគុណភាពនៅក្នុងក្រុមរបស់ខ្ញុំ NBC Cambodia ហើយមួយទៀតគឺអ្វីដែលពិសេសគឺគាត់បានផ្ដល់នៅមន់បាទដែលជាបានរបស់គាត់ផ្ទាល់ដែលគាត់នាំមកពីតែបងជូនខ្ញុំជា And I would like to say hello to everyone around the world here. Today I'm NBC Game Farm from Cambodia to visit brother Boomerang, and he gave me one gift and very good quality. And I hope that you will support it everywhere. And I believe that his business it will be going up, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Mga kasabong, maraming salamat po. Ang kinukuha niya ng sana mga kasabong per, kaya lang perdigin, mga kasabong. Perdigin, mga kasabong. Grabe, perdigin, mga kasabong. Pero walang problema kasi importante rito, naibigay natin. Masaya umuwi ng Cambodia, yung kay friend natin from Cambodia. You live my farm, sir. You are happy, right?
Yeah, happy.
Because I give to you, sir, your special request you want.
Yes, and
handpicked to your to my bidding pen.
Okay.
Right? Yes, sir. Mga kasabong, maraming salamat po. Shout out po sa inyo, mga kasabong Perdigin. Salamat.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, Sir Marion, maraming salamat din, kapatid. Sir Toto. Shout out ka, sir. Shout out.
Shout out to all Cambodian buyers. Thank you for supporting.
Shout out to all my buyers in Malaysia, Indonesia, and Cambodia, also in all Philippines here. Thank you. And if you want to buy the silver brand, call also direct and call me also.
Yes, this is my trusty good friend, Toto and Marion.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your trust.
Sir, mag-shout out ka sa mga buyers mo. Shout out ka lang.
From Cebu, pinamamahan.
Pangalan mo?
Tino.
Mag-shout out ka sa mga buyers mo sa mga.
Okay, thank you, Mang Sir. Okay, thank you, Mr. Dragon. Okay, sir, these are the quadro materials. Okay, imported Dante Roundhead and 3 bullet, 1 possum, and 2 cardinal club gelso. Thank you, God bless, and good luck in your bidding, sir. Okay, good day.